Hi everyone, I'm Linda, the Sustainability Manager for IKEA Taiwan, Hong Kong and Macau. It's very lovely to share with you today via video. It's quite an innovative way to share the sustainability strategy with you, and given that we are in a very difficult time. So today I want to spend a little time with you to share our vision and our local actions in Taiwan. Firstly, I want to mention that IKEA is formed by many companies around the globe. And today we have business in more than 50 markets, and we hire a quarter of a million persons around the globe. We have been in Taiwan for more than 25 years. But from the sourcing point of view, we have been here for more than 45 years. So for Taiwan, IKEA is really feel like home here, and we really appreciate everyone's effort in making this land a better life for the many people. So our vision of IKEA is to make a difference and to create a better everyday life for the many people. And we have defined our direction in next 5 years. That is, firstly, we want to be more affordable. And we want our products get access to their homes in a more value for money point of view. And secondly, we want our store to be more accessible to the many people. We want to enable more customers to enjoy our range and to create a better everyday life at their homes. And lastly, we want to develop our business to be a very sustainable business, given that we have a huge scope and we have more than 1 billion people come to our business every day. So that's our direction for the 5 years. And I want to explain more about how we develop our strategy. So being climate positive is one of our most ambitious goals before 2030. What does that mean? Being climate positive meaning that we have to reduce more greenhouse gas emissions than we emit along our value chain. And we will develop our every product according to our circular product design. And I want to explain more about this. So it's quite go hand in hand to develop our business into a 100% circular business. Why? From this slide, you can see the majority of the carbon footprint comes from our raw material usage. That stands for more than 40% of all of our total climate footprint. And we are a huge consumption of raw material. So that's why we want to do something about it. And going for transforming a circular business will be a key to that problem. Based on Ellen MacArthur's Foundation status, based on the linear economy, there are 80% of material goes waste in this kind of business model. So in the future, IKEA is going to adapt the 4 loops and transforming our business into a circular business by designing all the products based on the circular design principle, and all the products is designed for reuse, repaired, refurbished, remanufactured, and recycled. And we want to minimize the amount of waste as we can. So this slide shows what our commitment for transforming a 100% circular business. Firstly, all the material we use for product will be renewable and recycled. So far, we have already adapt 60% of our range based on the renewable material, and 10% of our products are made from recycled material. And moving forward, they will be going to 100% of material is based on renewable and recycled material. And moving forward, we're going to adapt a new business model that will change customers' behavior of how they acquire or pass on or deal with the waste from their home. And mostly, I want to mention that along the journey, we need collaboration and partnership from all partners and from all markets. So that's why I'm here and calling for the collaboration with you guys. Here are some examples of our circular products. Firstly, is the reusable plastic bags. That's a hot product in our stores. That's called Istad. It's made by sugar cane, so it's a plant-based plastic material, and the supplier is Taiwan supplier. So it's another hero product from Taiwan. And this beautiful blind is made by 6 recycled PET bottle, and it's perfect for you at home. That will to block the heat, and therefore you will reduce your energy consumption. And this famous bag, blue shopping bag, probably the most hardworking bag in the world. So in the future, some of the material will come from Taiwan, and it's made by reused PP bubble tea cups. So in the future, when you are enjoying the bubble tea, you will see, or you can imagine, this material will be used for the future blue bag. And also it's made from Taiwan. And next, I want to mention a very interesting, exciting new business model that we are testing in Taiwan. So when we are talking about business in terms of circularity, product as service will be always the first and most exciting step that we are not trying in Taiwan. So in Taiwan, we have collaborated with Taipei 101 to have our very first product service business model test in their building, 35th floor. In the future, we are going to adapt more circular business in Taiwan, including how we refurbished the used furniture from our customers, or we will repair your lovely products, because we know our customers don't want to be wasteful, and we want to do something about that. An equally exciting taste in Taiwan is that we are going to establish the refurbishment center. Based on the refurbishment center's capability, we are going to able to refurbish all the used furniture from our clients and customers. That means that we can really prolong the product life of our products. So the slide shows the test in Poland. So you can see we successfully transform a used furniture into a brand new furniture. In Taiwan, we are going to test how customers are going to face these kind of used furniture. And we hope that customers can share the same vision and same passion with us, that is prolonging every product's life. For IKEA, homes and how people live means a lot for us, because we believe that will shape and create impact on the health and well-being and the planet. So we also know that people want to become more healthy and sustainable at their home. They want to cut their carbon footprint, and they want to become more sufficient, and they want to reduce their waste. So that's why IKEA has already developed a variety of range that will cope that needs. Here are some examples. This little gadget will help you to reduce 90% of water consumption. And here I want to introduce a very brand new product called Gongrid. IKEA knows that 9 of 10 persons in the world face the air pollution every day, especially at their homes. So we developed a new curtain called Gongrid that has a very special coatings on the fabric, and they will absorb the air pollutants indoor at your homes. So simply adapting a new curtain will help you to live more sustainable and healthy life. Let's not forget about the food. IKEA is one of the major food retailers around the globe, and I believe you love our meatballs. But in the future, we have a new plant-based. It's a plant-based food. It's made by apple, peas, and have a very healthy proteins that will cover your nutrition needs every day. So in Taiwan, maybe at the end of 2020, we'll have a brand new plant bowl. And the good things about this is only 4% of the carbon footprint compared our traditional meatball. So let's try it when it comes to Taiwan market. Lastly, but certainly not least, I'm here call for more partnership and collaboration and co-creation with you guys. I know you have a very brand new technology or brand new solution for your products. So if you want, you can contact me. We can collaborate with more initiatives and help this land to be more sustainable. Like our founder said, many things remain to be done. And we truly believe that based on collaboration and partnership, we can really reach a future with a glorious one. Thank you for your time, and thank you for PIDC. I'm very honored to be here, and I'm looking forward to your contact. Thank you.